In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add non-clickable menu items in WordPress. Custom menu links are menu items that can either link to external links or can be used as unclickable menu items. If you want to know how to create and use the custom menu links in WordPress, we have a video explaining how you can do that too. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. So, to create an unclickable menu item, in your dashboard, go to Appearance. Then click on Menu. Now, I want to create a services menu item that is not clickable and add submenu items where our services will be added. So first, I'll add a custom menu item. In the URL, just enter the hashtag symbol. And in the link text, enter the name of the menu item here. Then click on Add Menu Item. Now I'll add our service posts to the menu. And I'll add them as the sub-menu item to the services menu item. Then click on Save Menu. Now let's go to the site to see the menu. And as you can see, the menu was added. When I click on the services menu item, then in the URL, you can just see the hashtag here. This is because we made this menu item non-clickable. But if I click on any of the sub-menu items, then I'm redirected to that post. That's it. This is how you can add non-clickable menu items in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.